Lane Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. This is about Turo 101. Basically, one of the basic tips I'll say is understanding your expenses. If you understand your expenses, you can actually cut a lot of your expenses away that you don't need, or you can actually lessen the price of your expenses. Maybe pay less for insurance, pay less maybe for a car wash, pay less for your maintenance, your oil changes. Learn what your expenses are. That way, you can save more money in the long run, and you can document it for your taxes and get a reduction or get some type of write off or get some money back. Very important. Tool 101, learn what your expenses are and follow them. That might sound basic, but a lot of people don't know how much money goes out. And when you don't know how much money goes out and you only know the money that comes in, you're in big trouble. Know how much money goes out into expenses so you can actually mitigate that. You can get your taxes, you file for them, and not just that, you can make sure to maybe lessen the amount you pay for expenses. Very important. Write down your expenses on your phone, your smartphone, tablet, whatever the case is. Write it on a piece of paper and stick by that and try to cut some of them off that you don't need. Very, very important. True tip 101.